Hi everyone. We're out in the Crossroads subdivision of Riverbank today, and I can't wait to show you this beauty. Over 2,300 square feet, nice open floor plan. Come on in and take a look. Look at this wonderful floor plan. Open kitchen, family room, and as you entered, formal living and dining. Take a look. We've got a split floor plan here where we have the master on one side and the two other bedrooms and bath for maximum privacy. Come look. This backyard, corner lot, no two stories looking over the back, so you've got lots of privacy, beautiful pool. As I said, it's all ready for you. So give me a call soon. It's not going to last. Lorraine Cardoza of the Cardoza Group, PMZ Real Estate, 209-605-6317. I can't wait to show you this jewel.